I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you.
Good people, where's up? I'm about to go to the gym. I usually go in the morning. I'm sorry I'm starting this off real rambly, but I'm about to head to the gym. It is 6 in the evening. I usually go at 6 in the morning, but I was up caking on the phone. Really not caking. We were really like handling a disagreement. So I didn't wake up in time to go to the gym, so I'm about to go now. This is what I'm wearing today. This little jumpsuit is from Rainbow. It's not the best. I don't really, but we're gonna wear it because I've been having the same outfits in rotation for like almost 3 months now. So I decided to go back in my regular workout drawer. And this is what we're wearing today. It makes me feel thick. Got a little dump truck. Y'all see? Ow. Okay, so yeah. But about to go to the gym, and I'm gonna show you some things that I do. Today is Wednesday, so it's a full body day. So when I have full body days, I always start with my warm-up on cardio. Then I'll do, it's late, so I'm gonna stick to 3 upper body exercises, 3 lower body, and some abs. So I do 10 minutes of cardio upper, 10 minutes of cardio lower, 10 minutes of cardio abs, 15 minutes in a sauna, and then we deuces. So I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna show you my workout, and we might have a little discussion. I'm so mad they tore up this chair like that. Why would they do that? I could just like throw y'all across the room, but let's go to the gym. It's looking pretty fat out here. I always come in the morning and the parking lot never look like this. So let's see if I can find me a little cute workout partner friend. Nah, I'm just playing. But we finna go in here and get it. Y'all see this energy? Let's hope I keep it through this workout. You. Go get your coat. I'm gonna be right here. You. Better be some machines. Oh, and it's gonna be a little shaky because I didn't bring no tripod. I wasn't even trying to do all that. So I'm gonna just set y'all up where I can, and we gonna get it how we live. Cool. These bottoms are like hella mean. This was just poorly made. Cute. Poorly made.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give.
Now, mind you, I'm no one's expert, but I'm just telling you what I remember from when I was trained on lifting weights properly. You want to make sure you're lifting with your legs and your butt, not your back. And then also when you're starting to lift with an amount that feels like a challenge, so that you can still do the exercise properly with good form. If you're lifting too much weight and you can't use good form, you're at more risk for injury. So lift what's a challenge, not what's going to take you out. Another tip when working in the gym is don't compete with anyone else. This is your time to get yourself right, mind, body, spirit, all of that. So don't be intimidated by other people that may be around you. Just do your thing and push yourself, and you'll be good. There are plenty of ways to do a squat, but today I'm doing the traditional one. So when you're doing a squat, you want to make sure that your feet are about shoulder width apart and that you are sitting down like you're about to sit in a chair. Trying to keep your back semi-straight, not leaning too forward, so that the weight is you're lifting with your legs and butt again and not your back. So be sure to take your time. And another trick that I'll use when I'm doing squats, free squats like this without a machine, those blocks that are next to me, sometimes I'll use those to make sure that I'm going low enough and sitting properly and keeping good form. So take your time with it and push yourself.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you.
hip thrust, you want to again make sure your feet are about shoulder width apart, and you should feel this all in your butt and thighs. Like when you go up to the top, you should feel that squeeze tightness. That's how you know you're doing it right. Get it right, get it tight.
It's not that I don't want you here.
Got one more set. Deadlift squats, hip thrusts. 10 minutes cardio. Don't know what arms we're gonna do today. 10 minutes cardio. We'll see about these ones, baby. I'm traumatized from catching that Charlie horse that one day. I ain't even gonna cap it to you.
Kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. 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 Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one.
Hi. Hello. Howdy. No, but for real, try to hold this down. Doing my 10 minutes, and I really do 10 separate minutes of cardio just to break it up. It's the most quickly exhausting thing for me, and sometimes it can get boring. So breaking it up allows me to still get 30 minutes of cardio, but I can pace myself a little bit better. Sorry, I keep blocking this camera. So yeah, and it's like a revamp, re-energize, because once I get off cardio machines, I feel a little energized. So I just break it up to get it done. All right, so I'm almost done with this. I got about 2 more minutes. Let me get into these arms. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Did some strides. It was a good little 10 minutes. So today I just decided to pick 3 different upper body machines to use. And another tip, machines are a lot easier to use than like free weights, doing different exercises, because the machine has it set up to properly position your body so that you are doing the exercise correctly. It has pictorials and instructions on the machine to help you use it so you're not intimidated. And I know a lot of people don't want to ask others for help when they're in the gym, so the machines are the easiest because it basically tells you and shows you how to use it. You can adjust your weight to exactly the difficulty level that is appropriate for you. And again, because the machine is positioned for you to have good form, you really do get the most out of each exercise. Now when you're working with the cables, they can get a little tricky. Watching this back, my form was completely wrong. These were supposed to be tricep extensions, but what I'm doing here, we're really not sure. So I'm going to link some videos for proper form when you're using cable machines like this, because they really do work a lot of different parts of the body, or they can. You just need to know how to do them and do them with proper form. So I'm going to link some videos down below to help you, because this was not a good demonstration.
Come through it.
10 more minutes and we can rest in the sauna. Let's get it. Let's motherfucking go. Damn. And I do a walk because we ain't got time for that jumping shit. So I walk on an incline of at least 10 and between 2 and 2.5. So 10 minutes. I can't get a good shot, but that boy, that's what it looked like when I walk, girl. That's what it looked like when I walk. All right, and then I always end with 15 minutes in the sauna, and I put on some slow jams to just relax. So I don't usually have my phone in here because it'd be too hot. Good morning. I'm definitely gonna finish yesterday's video because I got tired and then I had waited too long to eat. Let's talk about the gym while I'm actually headed back to the gym. So the gym, working out period, especially for like plus size bodies, is not all about losing weight. And I know society has made us feel that we need to lose weight. Working out is the best way to do it. Don't do surgery, whatever the case is. But honestly, working out is for your mental health, okay? It's for your mental health, your mental stamina, which leads to physical stamina and physical health. Hold up. Oh, shit. It's cold. But yeah, I'm gonna put this like this is gonna be crooked because my steering wheel in the way and I don't have another thing to put it on. So for me, working out is just to make sure that my body is still able, capable, pushing myself to the limits, challenging what I believe are my limits. And I can see every time I go to the gym, I'm like, okay, I can't do another one. I can't run another minute or walk. I don't be running no more. I can't walk another one. I can't do another minute on this. I can't. I'm tired. My body. And then I'm like, girl, just push. And I push and I do it. And I push past these limits that I thought I had. So it just opens your mind up to see what you're truly capable of. And it has nothing to do with losing weight. Like if I happen to lose some weight in the process, cool. But that's not my ultimate goal with working out. I'm trying to make this a part of my daily routine again because I always feel better when I am active, when I work out, when I'm moving my body, when I know that I'm not like, because my job is very stationary. I sit and I edit, or I'm standing and I film. It doesn't take a lot of activity the majority of the time. So like you can lose function in parts of your body. And like being a plus size person, that is a no for me. Like for me personally, the goals that I've had for myself my entire life is being a plus size person. I said I never want to waddle. I don't want to waddle. I want to be able to just walk regularly how I have been my whole life. That's how I know I'm like gaining a little bit too much for my body to handle. And I want to be able to run for a certain amount of time with me being physically in shape and adrenaline. If a killer was trying to get me, I'll be able to take off on that motherfucker for a little minute, So yeah, but it helps me push my limits as far as like my creativity goes, my stamina when I'm doing certain projects or doing certain things. It just helps literally everything. It's not all about losing weight. And for me especially, it's not about losing weight because I don't eat right. I eat like a little kid. And majority of working out, I really feel like they said it's 80% eating and 20% exercise. So if you ain't eating right, you're not going to get the results you're hoping to get anyway. But it does help you to get into a routine and push the physical limits of your body. So working out is not all about losing weight. It can be if that's your focus, then you do it that way and you move that way. But if it's more for body mobility, mental health, mental wellness, physical, mental stamina, you go about it differently. And you don't need a trainer. You don't have to pay a lot. You actually don't have to have this type of gym. You can work out in your house and still be physically fit. You can walk outside. It's a little cold right here in the Midwest, but when it gets warm, I love to like go to the park and go for a walk. So there's so many different ways to be active. It's just important to be active. And I say that especially for a plus size body. Again, not for weight loss, just simply for total body health and wellness. That's literally it. Because I know people get a little, don't fight me, because I know how you guys like to tussle. You're like, well, I love it, girl. It ain't even about all that, like I said. So yeah, but I'm headed back to the gym now. I just wanted to give that little 2 cents, and I'm gonna vlog today. So this will be at the end of yesterday's video, because like I said, I tapped out. But we're gonna vlog today and see how that goes. See what I get done today. But love you. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another one of my videos. I appreciate it so much. If you have not already, please hit that subscribe. And, you know, if you want to, give me a thumbs up, you know, if you want to. And drop a comment, you know, if you want to. And that's all I got for you. And I will see you on my next video. Stay true.